Here's exactly how you're going to use your voice memo app on your phone to manifest a completely different life and a completely different version of you. I'm still on this journey. I do this every single day and I'm already seeing a lot of changes externally, but I keep reminding myself that the change has to happen within first, because manifesting is an inner game. It's about shifting your energy and your mindset and your state, and then the external changes happen. And it happens naturally. So you should just focus on your inner work. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna record a 1 or 2 minute voice note on your dream life. I want you to be so specific. What are you doing every day? Who are you with? What do you do for work? What do you look like? What are you wearing? What are your habits? And what does it feel like? What does your life feel like? Talk about it in the present tense. Basically, this is your new story. Talk about the life that you desire. And if you don't know what that is, please sit still and free write. Because everyone has the ability to get that clarity in silence. So don't tell me that you don't know what you want, because if you sit with yourself long enough, you will know. And then I want you to set an alarm and listen to this voice memo at least 3 times a day. Morning as you're waking up, in the afternoon, and at night before you go to bed. It has to be the first and last thing you listen to every single day, non-negotiable. As a bonus, you can listen to it more than 3 times, but the main point is to saturate your mind with this new story. Keep listening to it so there's no room in your mind for your past and your old stories. Keep listening to the new story, especially when you're triggered or feeling low. You can edit it with music as well if you want to. I love the Interstellar theme song called Cornfield Chase, and I layered my voice memo with that because it really inspires me, but I also have one with no music in case I'm not in the mood for any music. That's all you're going to do. Let me know how it works for you. I've been doing this consistently for about 10 days now, and I'm already feeling myself making different choices and thinking new thoughts. So let's do this together and share anything that comes up along the way. Thank you for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Follow for more.